Oh, mate Gary and his mates. Don't scare him. Oh, there they are. Yes. There's so many. I love it. I love it. Last day in Exmouth, just out in the shallows, a little bit windy, still 31. There's a nice little bunch of fishies here. Yeah, fishies. I don't know if you can see that, it's a bit hard. Heaps of feeder fish. Mealing. You. There you go, fishies. Big mob of fish. Check that out. Got enough fishes. Oh, there he goes, boy. Fish for days. That's it.